software testing company called Plato Testing. What sets Plato apart is our commitment to not only training, but employing members of First Nations, Métis, and Inuit communities as software testers. Once they have successfully completed our training program, each graduate is offered a good, well-paying job in the technology industry. Plato's social impact approach addresses two important issues: the high levels of unemployment among Indigenous youth and Canada's growing need for technology workers. We are innovative in the way that we are making a difference in Sault Ste. Marie, in Northern Ontario, and in Canada.
Since announcing our expansion to Sault Ste. Marie in October of 2018, Plato Testing has established itself here at Station Tower. We've launched and delivered our first software tester training program here in Sault Ste. Marie, and we've graduated and currently employ 10 of those Indigenous software testers at our office here. Our tangible goal at Plato Testing is to create a network of 1,000 Indigenous software testers across Canada. These software testers are working in good, well-paying jobs in and around their home communities. We're also looking to enable and increase the participation of corporate Canada in their reconciliation efforts. Plato Testing is incredibly proud to be nominated through this SMART Award and to be recognized for our innovation here in Sault Ste. Marie. We are making an impact here in Sault Ste. Marie, across Northern Ontario, and across Canada in our efforts toward reconciliation.